First of all, manage the general settings as per your website theme. Under the Templates section, you can set the font and background color for the elements in the OTP form. Enable this option to place a single box for 6-digit OTP instead of 6 separate boxes in the form. Activate the Add-on Plus Prime service to use deactivated premium features. Now save the changes. The Automate section has the most important settings for OTP management. Here, you can see the Sandmax and Within controls. Both these controls are supportive of each other. That means if you want to send OTP maximum 3 times within 15 minutes, then you can set it in this way. Here, you can control the OTP validity period in minutes. Activate this option if you want to monitor the OTP-related activities on your website. Set the cleaning frequency of the garbage cleaner here. Setting it to 1 day means all unused data will be cleared every 24 hours. Now save the changes. Let's take a look at the impact of these modified settings. Click here to log in. Send the OTP. Wait to expire the OTP. Now put the OTP here. Verify. The OTP is expired. Try again with new OTP. Click here to see the available log. These are the OTP actions and activities of this plugin.